box and click on the bell icon so that you'll get all the updates of
Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel Dhruva Vlogs. So today we are in the new video of unboxing my new camera Canon SX70HS. I bought a new camera guys for vlogging. So please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get all the notifications. Please do like and share my videos. So guys, here is the box of the camera, and here we get a carry bag free with this camera. Now first let's see the carry bag. Here you can see the PowerShot badging on the camera, and on the strip also you can see PowerShot badging. Now let's open this. Here we get a velcro. You can see here and here we get velcro. Here we get some padding like structure for some support, and here we get nothing. Here we can keep some memory cards, batteries, charger, adapter, etc. Here we can keep the camera. So this is a simple bag. You can see it's a very rough material, so it lasts long. Now let's see the camera box and the contents. So guys, here is the camera Canon PowerShot SX70HS. Here you can see the Canon badging, 1+1 2 years warranty, and this is the photo of the camera. And here we get a 16 GB card free inside this box. Here you can see the PowerShot SX70HS badging, here seal. Now let's see the features. Here we get a 65x optical zoom, Digic 8 processor, 20.3 megapixels, and EVF, OLED EVF, and 4K video recording, and the flip screen. We get a flip screen in this camera. Here we get nothing. You can see here Canon badging, PowerShot SX70HS, and the photo. Here also we get some photos, Canon badging, etc. You can see all the sides. Now let's open the box and see the contents inside this. I have already broken this seal while checking in the shop. If we open, we get a user guide, user manual or user guide. It's a very big book. We get this in many languages. Now here we get a 2-year warranty card. You can see here 2-year warranty card. Let's keep this aside, and if we open this compartment, here is the main compartment. Here we get the camera, accessories like adapter, charger, battery, and memory card, etc. Now let's open. Here is the cable, charging cable guys. This is used to charge your battery of the camera. Let's open this. Here we get string. Let's open. Here this is used to plug into the switch, and this is used to plug into the adapter. So this is the cable which is used for charging your battery. And here we get a adapter. This is the adapter. Let's open it. If we open, here you can see the Canon badging, battery charger, and here we get two indicators like charge and full. It indicates you if the battery is still charging or it's full charge. Here this is the space to insert your battery for the charging. That's all. Here you can see some information on the back side. This is the adapter, and here you can see, here you have to plug that cable which I have shown earlier. Here you have to plug. And let's see the battery. Here we have the battery guys. You can see here battery. Let's open it. here we have a plastic. We will open that also. Here you can see the battery, the Canon battery. Here you can see the Canon badging, battery pack. You can see here. You can see here this is of 875 mAh battery. Here you can see this is the battery, and here this is the main part. This is the main component, that is the camera, the Canon PowerShot SX70HS. You can see nothing is there in the box. That's it's there is a memory card. You can see here this is a memory card, 16 GB memory card. Here you can see we'll get it in a free. You can see here SanDisk Ultra 48 MB per second. You can see 16 GB memory card. So let's keep this aside. Now nothing is there in the box. Now let's see the main component, that is the camera. So guys, this is the camera. You can see here Canon badging, here Canon badging, here on the lens cap, the protection for the lens, that is the lens cap. On that also you can see the Canon badging. Here also you get a LED light here. You can see here SX70HS badging, and from here you can open the flashlight. It's very easy, by hand only, manually you have to open it. And here you can see here they have given a 65x optical zoom badging, 20.3 megapixels badging, and here you get the framing assist buttons for preventing the shaking when we zoom. Here we get the zoom button, zoom in and zoom out. Here we have the mic slot. Here, from here you can attach your external mic for vlogging, and that's all you can see here. And here you can see the PowerShot SX70HS badging, and this camera records a 4K video, and its Wi-Fi capability also is there. And on the right side, here we get the aux port, USB port and the HDMI port. Let's open and see that. You can see here aux port, USB port and HDMI port. So here you can attach the strings. I have already attached the strap. You can see here on the strap we get a Canon badging, and here the PowerShot badging. On the strap we get the badgings. So here we have the zoom in and out button. You can see zoom in, zoom out, and from this button you can capture the images. And here we have scroller, you can see, and this is the Wi-Fi button. By this you can turn on the Wi-Fi of your camera. This is the on and off button, only one button for on and off. And this is the main controller. You have many modes like autofocus mode, program mode, TV mode, aperture, manual, custom mode 1, custom mode 2, recording mode and scenery mode, sports mode, panorama mode, etc. You get many modes here. You can turn like this and adjust whichever the mode you want. The auto mode is very good. Here you can see two buttons. The star button is used to lock the exposure of the light, and this is also there. And here we get a recording button. By clicking this one time, the recording starts automatically. Here we have a sensor by which if anything comes like this near to this, the LCD will close, and whatever we can see in the LCD will be seen in this. So here is the main function. slot. Here you can see set. Here you can adjust the exposure. Here the flash option, manual focus option, and delete option. Here we have information button, and this is a playback button. By this you can see the photos or videos captured by this camera, and this is the menu button. Here you can see the Canon badging. This is a 3-inch 270-degree flippable screen. You can see here, like this you can open and you can flip however you want. You can see we can flip like this fully. For vloggers it is a very helpful camera. You can vlog like this by looking your face. And here this is the lens, 20.3 megapixel lens guys. You can see here it is written as Canon zoom lens 65 into IS 3.8 to 24 247.0 mm. You can see this is the lens. Now let's see the bottom. Here we get a tripod mount. To mount your camera into the tripod, here you get the slot, and here you can see the card and the battery, memory card and the battery slot. By like this you can open this, and here you can see, here you can insert the memory card and the battery. So now let's insert the memory card and battery, and let's see the zoom test and all. Now we have inserted the battery. Here you can see the battery and the memory card here. Now let's turn on the camera. Here we can see the on and off switch. Let's press this. You can see it's on. You can see here. So this in the 3 inches LCD screen you can see, and here I have said here we have a sensor guys. If we keep anything here, you can see here on inside that hole what we can see in the screen. You can see it's focusing manually. You can see. Now let's go outside and test some zoom tests and etc. Guys, here you can see the camera, it's on. Now let's check the zoom test of this camera. So you can see the lens. And the mobile also, you can see the difference. It is auto focusing on my face, and the exposure also. You can see the 4K video, and you can see in this camera also. Hi guys. I hope you have liked this video and this camera also, guys. So please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get all the notifications. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.